So I want to give a quick shout out to the Nomad Thrower. He's where I got the tutorial initially from, and so if not for him, I wouldn't have learned the trick. And my ending of it is a little bit different than what his is. So his is more so the original version. I kind of play a little bit onto it. He makes great tutorials. I strongly recommend his channel. After watching this one, I do recommend looking at his version at the very end of it to see how that changes a little bit. Oh, and if you want to help support my channel, I released a Yoyo, so if you want to get something back in return for helping me out, here's a great way to do so. Alright, enjoy.